Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift cards on Netflix. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to log in to your Netflix account, and then you will need just to click on your profile picture and then go to account and make sure you are on the membership and billing panel or section. And from here you will find this menu. You will click on the redeem gift card or promo code. Then you will need just it will take you to this panel. From here, you will need to add your code or pin and click on redeem. And basically, to find the pin or code, you will need just to go to your card, and from here, you will need just to find the code by scratching this pin. And this one, after scratching it, you will need to go here and you add the code and we click on redeem, and you will need or you will be able to receive your code or your gifts. And basically you can do this for as many cards as you have, and this is how you can do it. So all you need, as we said, go to the profile, and basically you can just go to your uh, Netflix URL or just your web browser URL, and here in the slash or in the domain, you will need just to change the URL and make it as a redeem, and it will take you directly to the redeem your gift section. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.